Today I'm going to do the marketing analysis of Louis Vuitton bag. To start and present an overview, Louis Vuitton, the brand was started by the French bag maker Louis Vuitton, and after his name, the brand name is given the same name. The LV monogram is the brand symbol and it appears on most of its products, ranging from luxury bags, leather goods, ready to wear, shoes, perfumes, watches, and accessories. Louis Vuitton is one of the world's leading international fashion houses and is the most popular brand in the world. It has its stores in more than 50 countries and a number of 460 stores are in there. To start and present. Now let's talk about the background of the same brand. There is a great story behind the establishment of the renowned brand and its value. Actually, the founder of brand Louis Vuitton went to Paris in order to find work and earn bread and butter. He started working for the famous tank maker and packer, but while working there, he got an idea to make flat top boxes. To make it easy to place and manage space, he started making the flat top boxes, which later brought him and his ideas a demand in the market. After a while, he first made a bag made of paper to place small things along with luggage, which prompted the idea of making bags in 1901. Then he made collaboration with the LVMH, an eminent factory of the times, which further led to the huge growth of revenue, and that's how the brand got its value in market. Now let's influenced by the demand of these type of bags, after the demise of Louis Vuitton, his son Georges Farrell Vuitton started to innovate the ideas of making a bag. He prompted the ideas of making a bag with a big lock so that the things can be kept safe and was successful in making the same. Apart from that, he also succeeded in the way to reduce the size of the bag, as trunks or bags made by Louis Vuitton in his time were huge in size and were not easy to place in a small area. But when Georges Farrell saw that kind of negatives in his bag, then he started to innovate the ideas of reducing the size and making more space inside the bag. And he succeeded in his attempt, and that's how the bags were invented with the aid of Louis Vuitton monogram as well as the locks available on it. Influenced talking about the advertisement campaigns and brand endorsements. In the initials of the time when the LV monogram started to gain the value among the people, they chose to appoint the famous celebrities of the time, such as Jennifer Lopez, Angelina Jolie, and Madonna, which brought a great deal of success to the brand. Moreover, they also chose to do some adverts in the newspaper as well as some social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, and nowadays as all of the people are active on these kind of applications, so they are earning a huge revenue from these promotions also. They always try to represent the people, the things by which they are different from others. Like most of the companies are mad about getting high sales, but this is the brand which just focus on the quality. So instead of making bulk of products in machine, they always tend to make them with hand to ensure the quality which makes the LV different from others. Talking about the advertising. Talking about the behavior of individuals while purchasing this bag. First of all the mortals look after the quality and durability of any product while purchasing. And in this bag, the quality is real outstanding as well as the durability of the LV bags is more than 20 years, which is such a long time to carry a single bag. But when it's LV, it's all worth it. Apart from that, the other things which make people buy this particular product is the reputation of brand. As Louis Vuitton is known for its world class quality of product and they also customize the product as per the demand of the buyer, thus satisfaction of having the wisdom in hand brings more people towards buying it. Due to the uniqueness of product, people even do impulsive shopping of these bags. As nowadays it has become a craze among individuals to flaunt their status among others. Therefore, the elite class of society tend to buy the products which are unique and have a great cost, which brings profit to the company to a large extent and promote these among the other societies. Moreover, if we need to talk about the post purchase behavior of masses, then the first thing which strikes in everybody's mind is satisfaction. Since the Louis Vuitton bag cost an arm and a leg to buy, therefore, the thing that matters is satisfaction and quality, which further is found to be up to the mark in both cases by the customers. Furthermore, the services provided by the LV stores or outlets is not something to undermine as they tend to welcome people with a lot of enthusiasm as well as provide them with world class services. Hence, the consumers never feel bad about visiting the LV stores. They always aid the people with a detailed description of the design and the functions of the things, which is not a case in other brands. And all this stuff make LV different from others. Therefore, people always tend to buy these products no matter how much they cost and how much they worth. Talking about the behavior bags from Louis Vuitton are also known as the bag of fashion. This is a company which works on the corporation level with others and most prominently LVMH, which is the renowned factory or the company among the world. An interesting fact to note about the LV brand is that the products made in the Louis Vuitton are never held on sale because their purpose is not about reaching the maximum buyers, it's about serving the greatest quality among the people who buy these products. These bags also promote the French culture as the person who founded Louis Vuitton was a French person and they also try to enhance and spread the value of French cultural values and the roots of the culture. Moreover, the bags made by LV are also water and fireproof, which also enhance the beauty of this particular bag. Apart from that, they also tend to customize the bags on the behalf of people according to their choice, like what they want in their bag and how they want the design to be. The other interesting fact to note about these bags is that not in case of other brands, not in the similarity of other brands, they never tend to make the products with the machine. They always go for making it with the hand as the quality made by hand is superior than that of machine and they never compromise with the brand's reputation by messing up with the quality. Talking about the popularity of this product, then the China is the biggest buyer of the LV products, which also shares a hold of 40% in the wholesale of the product. Therefore, this is a product which is valued on all over the world and is also known as the bag of fashion among the society. Now let's talk about recommendations. First of all, there's nothing to say ill about these products, but if I need to talk about something that I could recommend and can lead to a further change in the product, then that would be on the superior basis that they should try to be as eco-friendly as possible, because most of the products made in this brand are not friendly to the nature. They cause a lot of pollution among the surrounding, and this can lead to disaster result in the future. Therefore, they should adapt some eco-friendly practices and try to go green in order to preserve the environment. Apart from that, they should also try to innovate the design, as most of the bag in that particular brand are of a huge size and some sling bags. So they should opt for the other options also and try to innovate a design which can lead as an example among the society and can also teach the other brands how to make the bags in a superior quality. Moving further, about the third main thing which I would like to have in this particular bag is the change in material, because most of the bags made in this company are of a similar material and have something common and should be treated as something exceptional. Therefore, they should tend to use something sophisticated so that the brand value can be enhanced and they can earn a great revenue in the future.